Hey there, so I have some exciting news. It's been months since I started this endeavor, but I am unveiling my Mineral of the Month Club. It's exactly what it sounds like. Every month, I send you a new mineral. It's kind of sort of interesting. So what you'll get is you'll get a mineral specimen, a little specimen tag with it, a little blurb about what you're getting. Tasteful. Sometimes the blurb will be longer than other times. And of course you'll get a mineral. The first couple of months you'll be getting what are considered thumbnail specimens. They're smaller minerals but nicer minerals. First up on the block, if you didn't read the inverted card, got some gem quality chrome diopside crystals. These are really fun. Chrome diopside is generally considered an emerald substitute. Pretty excited about these. Gem quality ones typically come from Russia, but these are from a find in Pakistan, and they are just as nice as the Russian ones. If you hold them up to the light, they are gorgeous. The second month, I'll go ahead and spoil the second month as well, because I've got a couple of months lined out. The second month I've got some lovely petroleum included quartz pieces. These are little double terminated quartz pieces with petroleum in them, and it causes them to fluoresce under a black light. You'll get 1 to 3 pieces in that month. It just kind of depends on how much they weigh. It will run $10 a month plus shipping, so in the United States it comes out to $15.50 basically. I originally planned on going through Patreon for this, but between Patreon fees and everything I'd have to do $20 a month. Also, I wouldn't be able to ship internationally for it. For international, it would come out closer to $20, but at least this way I'll be able to do international as well. So that's the gist of it. New mineral every month. The first couple of months I'm dealing with mostly thumbnail specimens. I will also do some bigger ones. I've also got grandiose schemes to get some really nice Las Choyas geodes, which can be, smoky quartz amethyst, look really neat, and do a huge kind of cracking video for just just a bunch of them all at once. What else? I feel like I'm forgetting something. Previous months, if I have any leftovers, will go on the website as well. If you can't do a subscription but you still want to get a piece, you might still be able to if you want to get a specific month. I'll unveil the month as the month begins, what's coming. Right now I only have 30 spaces. This is a test run. I'm getting this fleshed out, getting a good feeling for it. So I only have 30 spaces. Once those 30 spaces are filled, I'll start looking into, say, moving up to 60, moving up to 90, if that happens. This is kind of a leap. It's a big leap for me. I had intended on doing this at the beginning of the year, but it took a while to actually flesh out a variety of suppliers that could get me the things that I wanted for this. So you've seen the first 2 months. We've got chrome diopside crystals, gem quality ones, and we've got some really neat petroleum included quartz pieces. I won't spoil the rest of it, but there will be some bigger specimens as well, and maybe even some more rare pieces. Some months it will be that you'll get, say, a thumbnail piece. Some months it may be a bigger piece. Some months it may be a really small but very high quality piece. It just depends on what I can get my hands on. But I wanted to have a couple of months fleshed out before actually unveiling this. So today's the first day. It's on my website. Links will be in comment sections, descriptions, wherever I'm posting this video. And we'll go from there. Thank you, all of you that were very patient about this. I know this is something I've been kind of tossing around for about 6 months or so. And I appreciate your patience. And I hope to make you a fun quality product. Like I said, I had initially planned on doing this on Patreon. That ended up falling through, but if you do want to support my long-form content on YouTube and other places, you can still go there as well. Otherwise, y'all have a wonderful day, and thanks for listening. And let me know in the comments section if there's anything in particular you'd like to maybe see in this Mineral of the Month Club. Have a good day.